Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreateAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Sorry about that. I just seen a little drip on my canvas here. So this is part 2 of the Shmear series that I'm doing. So what I'm doing a series where I'm going to do the same technique. One on a black base, one on a white base. I already did the white one. That was my last video. I think maybe I don't think it'll be the last one by the time I do this one, because I have some collabs this week, the week of, that I posted that one. So anyway, so the colors that I'm using are, which I don't know if some of these might not show up, but as well as I want them to, but we'll see. So this one is SoHo's Dioxazine Violet Hue. This one is Blinkrylic Violet. Oh gosh, did it? And this one is Liquitex Basics Brilliant Purple. And then I have Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. And I'm probably going to use a little bit of white in here, which is Amsterdam's Titanium White. And then I have Amsterdam's Titanium Black for the base. I have a few air bubbles in here because I just mixed this up. Alright, so I think I'm going to put down the gold first. And then I think I might put a little bit of white down here because maybe the purple will show up a little bit. A little bit brighter. This is the SoHo's Dioxazine Violet. And the Brilliant Purple. Oh, that was Dioxazine Violet Hue. And then this is Blinkrylic Violet. So my Shmearing Color is Amsterdam's Black Oxide.
I don't know how, or how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down, I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Take every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. Why would I fight the things I'm feeling? Rather space out here next to you. Ooh, like astronauts, we're in the night sky and we won't come down. Make every inch of my body wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again.
I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. So like these aren't going to be like identical, but just because I'm using the same colors but with a black base and a white base, so and then the same technique. So but look at how pretty that is. I'm excited that that purple is kind of showing up. I hope it shows up still when it dries. That Dioxazine Violet where it's sitting on the black, like right there. That's really pretty. And look at all that shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer, like my granddaughter says. Some cool cells there. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And so sorry again about my throat, my voice. I do appreciate you guys so much for watching. So the next series I do, I think I'm gonna do, I'm not sure what technique but like I said, it'll be 2 videos. One will be with a white base, one will be with a black base. So I think I might do an open cup next, or maybe a flip cup. We'll see. But I do, if you guys have any suggestions or you want to see one or the other, just let me know in the comments below. I do appreciate you guys so much, and your comments mean a lot to me. They're very nice. You guys are always so supportive of my channel, and I do appreciate you guys. I hope everybody is healthy and safe from COVID, and just healthy in general. And hope to see you guys back again. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.